My name is Jamin May. This is Tacoma Glass Manufacturing. As we built this building and we looked at the amount of space we had on the roof, we're also a high energy user with our tempering furnaces. And so we looked for a way to kind of reduce that cost some. And so with that, we decided to put solar panels on the top of our whole roof to help mitigate some of that cost, in addition to it's good for the environment to do something like that. The installation process went very smoothly. They presented a timeline for when they were going to be out here. At that time, we also had a lot going on in our parking lot, so there was a lot of coordination involved. Artisan was very on top of it up front, and everything went as planned. They were very professional and willing to kind of go above and beyond to make sure the project went smoothly. Artisan was the right company to choose for these panels. From start to finish, they were up front with their proposal. They've been available going forward if we've had any questions or issues that have come up. We would definitely recommend Artisan for solar needs. They've been a great company. They were a great company to work with. And if we were ever to consider solar for any of our other buildings that we build, they would be first in line.